Yeah, very good morning. This is Dr. Srinivas, Professor and Head from Department of Prosthodontics. As a part of e-learning program, today we have one small topic for discussion, that is silicon rubber-based impression material. Before I explain about its composition, setting reaction, and other properties, let me explain discuss about history of this silicon rubber-based impression materials. These elastic impression materials were developed from a synthetic rubber basically, and it was developed by a person, S.L. Pearson, at the University of Liverpool in 1955. From then onwards to till date, these materials are considered to be the most reliable and most demanding material in the field of impression techniques in dentistry. So the first material developed in elastomers are polysulfides, followed by silicons and polyethers, and recently by polyvinyl siloxane impression materials. And they are improvising, the manufacturers are improvising their properties year by year by overcoming the defects or the drawbacks of these materials. These materials are basically polymers that shows an elastic behavior at the time of load application. So since that's why they have higher tear strength, and more stable in dimensional aspect compared with other materials like hydrocolloids. They doesn't show synergesis or imbibition or evaporation of any of the constituents of the material. Now coming to the topic for discussion today, that is silicon rubber based impression materials. They are developed to overcome some of the disadvantages of polysulfides. If you start name the disadvantages of polysulfides, that includes unpleasant odor, dimensional changes, and straining of the clothes or the stickiness of the material. So these aspects were very much refined in these silicon rubber based impression materials and developed. These silicons are available in two forms, that they are condensation silicons and adhesion silicons. This differentiation is mainly because of the mode of polymerization. So today we discuss about condensation silicons, and later classes the adhesion silicons. Condensation silicons are also called as conventional silicons, and they are available in light body, medium, and putty consistency. So whichever is consistency, they are supplied separately in two different jars or the collapsible tubes. One consists of base and another consists of accelerator. Base consists of polydimethyl siloxane, and colloidal silica or macronated silica metal oxide acts as a fillers in these silicons. Accelerator consists of orthoethyl silicate, which acts as a cross-linking agent, and stannous octade as a catalyst. The setting reaction includes the dimethyl siloxane reacts with orthoethyl silicate, and it forms a silicate rubber and a byproduct ethyl alcohol. So these byproduct ethyl alcohol is considered to be the one disadvantages in the silicon material, because this ethyl alcohol evaporates after a period of time, and it leaves a minute uh, depressions or irregular surface on the impression, and that leads to the shrinkage or dimensional instability of the material. So when it comes to the polysulfide impression material, what is the byproduct? In condensation silicons, ethyl alcohol is a byproduct. So this is about the setting reaction of silicons. And coming to the properties aspect, These materials have pleasant odor and color, which is considered to be one of the positive aspect in silicons. A reasonable mixing time of 45 seconds and a setting time of 6 to 8 minutes, and excellent reproduction of surface details and highly elastic in nature. And this due to this high elastic nature, the material can be withdrawn from the interproximal area or interdental area comfortably without tearing. But still, they have lesser dimension stability, that is a high curing shrinkage of 0.4 to 0.6%, which is higher than the additional silicons, and permanent deformation at the range of 1 to 3% because of the ethyl alcohol byproduct evaporation. Basically, this material also shows a hydrophobic nature, but this hydrophobic nature are later managed by the adding of surfactants, so and converted into hydrophilic nature. So they are silicons are very biological inert material, and they are compatible with almost all the gypsum products, that is the type 1, type 2, type 3 or type 4. So these are the basics, properties and advantages of condensation silicons. And apart from that, they are lower in price than disadvantages like hydrophobicity, uh, the lower tier strength compared with this additional silicons are the main aspects. So with this we finish condensation silicon. The later class will be on the additional silicons, which is a refined form of the silicon rubber base impression material. Thank you very much. See you later.